Hi, my name is Chung. I'm from Team ATELIER, and these are my teammates. Some user, Swen, Pang Ivan, and Oi Kang Jae. Our teacher is Tae Iwa. Ever since the library in our school established, pupils' shoes been missing or accidentally worn by other students. Besides that, there's no place for the students to sit while wearing their shoes. Thus, we created iLog. As you can see, this is a diagram of our project. Over here, you can use the MasterCard to add or remove cards from the system, and you can scan your RFID card in order to lock and unlock your locker. This is a 3D model of our project. Over here is a solar panel and a solar battery so that it is more sustainable. And here is one of our cans. As you can see, a hole over here so that you can put your shoes, a hole over here for the RFID card scanner, and this lock over here is to secure your locker to the wooden pallet. These are electronics that will be used inside the box. Over here, the silver motor, buzzer, and a Arduino Uno inside the box, and an RFID scanner, two LEDs, and an LCD outside the box. As you can see, we've split the cost into three parts. The locker, each locker being 50 ringgit and 90 cent. Multiply that for 8, and we get 407 ringgit 20 cent. For the body part, the total will be 50 ringgit or completely free. And for C, the total is 467 ringgit 50 cent, which comes up to a total of 924 ringgit 70 cent. As you can see, these are the parts that will be used in our project. Thank you.